Alright, so ever curious on how it looks inside of a spinning reel open face? Just some of the components right there. That is the spin cast worm gear right there. Your lock nut, your mound bolts, and your anti-reverse washer. Yes, washer. And there's your ball bearings. That's for the handle. That is the side plate, which, you know, I'm getting down into this and getting all that grungy grime out of it. And then right here, as you can see, that's how far down we into it. I ain't took the shaft out, but if you can see, there's a lot of whoa. So those bolts with the built-in washer right there holds in the bearing. And you have two of them. Make sure that that goes on that pin. Right there. So once you have that all assembled, I know the lighting might not be the best, but then take your spool, line it back up. Let's see, right like that. You take your washer locking nut. La 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 la. Whoop, nope, didn't get it. Always make sure you got them on there lined up straight so you don't booger the threads. Ah, there we go. Let's see. You want to get that snug. Make sure you have it snug. So once you have that in place, take this lock. So take the locking nut once you have got that on there. It's important that you have that to keep that nut locked into place and it don't spin out when you are retrieving. Make sure that you got all the bolts and nuts hand snug. You don't want to overdo it. And just like that. And then your final touches is put the gasket back on. Take the gasket, slide it over the shaft and down to the notch. Yeah, slide it back to the notch right there. Put the star gear on top of that, just like that. Then once you have that, get the spool, line it back up. Voila. And then put the drag bolt back on, as so. So it's coming together quite nice, as you can tell, right there. Slide the handle back in there. Make sure it gets down in its grooves.